My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Shoe Palace is going to be dropping the smoke grays again. Oh, that was me. I was getting these with Origin. So I got a total of 48 checkouts. We are going for the Jordan 1 Satin Snakeskins. During all those hours of practice, something just clicks. We still have more Jordan 1s tomorrow, dropping on none other than my favorite platform right now, Shoe Palace. We got the Jordan 1 Tokyos. Apparently these are gonna be super duper limited. Will I end up getting Jordan 1 Tokyos tomorrow? We're gonna find out on the next episode. How's it going, guys? So last night Shoe Palace dropped a few restocks on their Shopify website. So a lot of people are speculating that Shoe Palace might switch over to Shopify real soon. The thing about this is that their Shopify website has been up for over a year. And the reason why people are starting to talk about this now is because they did start dropping some items over there. It looks like they're doing a lot of tests, so they might actually make the switch. However, I'm not 100% sure. Nothing is 100% confirmed by Shoe Palace themselves. However, what they are going to do today is dropping the Jordan 1 Tokyos on their old website. So if this is one of the last Shoe Palace drops, then I need to absolutely go super hard and get as many checkouts of these as possible. So let's see how many of these we can get. Oh my god, dude, I hit so many ones. Checkouts now, let's go. $31 checkouts, dude, so fast. Nice. I'm hitting more. I'm at 39 checkouts now. Let's get it. Dude, it looks like we're about to hit 100 clips. Like, my checkouts are coming in fast, dude. The release today went too well. I got 275 checkouts and I could have gotten more. I literally ran out of money like 30 minutes into the release, and they were in stock for like a way longer period. Basically, I was able to get as many checkouts as I wanted, and the only thing I was limited by is the amount of money that I have. So I got a total of 117 checkouts for myself, and then I ran slots for the people who provided the proxies for me. So shout out to them, and obviously shout out to Palacebot and their team as always. Super amazing work. We absolutely made a killing. I wouldn't be surprised if I had like unlimited funds and I just kept running it up I probably would have gotten a 500 clip. Like, it sounds crazy, like 500 clip, like I'm capping, but that's how good that combo was. But the bad news is the cancels. Guys, I basically maxed out all of my credit cards, so I had to resort to using an actual debit card. I only had one billing profile to use throughout this entire drop, and definitely it shows in the results. You know why? Because I got 56 of my checkouts canceled, but I do have 22 shipped out. I'm still waiting on the status for the rest of my orders, but damn, that sucks for me. Didn't really have any other choice, to be honest. Anyways, here is the shipment for today. Jordan 1 Smoke Grays. And speaking of Shoe Palace, there are more Shoe Palace restocks tomorrow, and I'm basically going to be using the same set of proxies and the same bot. So I gotta find some money so I can go for restocks. Smoke Grays restocking, Jordan 12's restocking, Zion's restocking. I don't care about any of those shoes except for the Smoke Grays. Let's try to get some. Not hitting, dude. I think my cards are blocked, bro. There's no way I'm not hitting. It's actually impossible. I was having the same issue yesterday. Okay, finally. I got some checkouts. Finally. More checkouts. I'm at 8 pairs, boys. Alright, guys, I'm running slots for other people too, so my checkouts aren't as fast as they should be. I'm at 30 checkouts now. Okay, so for this release, I got a total of 72 checkouts with 37 of them for myself. I don't know why one of my cards, basically my Amex card with the highest credit limit out of all of my cards, that one was just straight up not like accepting payments. I don't know why. I definitely would have gotten a lot more checkouts if that wasn't the case. I'm really not sure, and it's not like a payment fraud block. I didn't get any notifications of them declining any payments, and it was the same exact problem that I was having the day before that and the day before that. Jordan 1 Snakeskins are going to be restocking again in about 3 minutes. However, I'm not going to be really running for myself that much because I believe I have about 100 of these that are shipped out already, and I kind of want to save the last remaining of my money for the Jordan 1 Japan's restock tomorrow. So I'm mostly going to be running for slots. However, I'm still going to go for a few of them. Okay, so drop is in about 2 minutes. I gotta get ready, gotta get focused. Let's do it. Now the carts are like literally spamming. Okay. So I'm prioritizing my proxy providers. I'm not running for myself that much. Okay, now I'll try for myself. File again. Right, this one. Eight checkouts for myself. Oops, I caught too many. I was saving my money for tomorrow, but that's out the window. We hit about 85 pairs with 31 of them. To me, the rest of them are slots from my providers. Yeah, that's about how many I wanted, 31 pairs. That's a pretty good number. Tomorrow we are gonna go for the Jordan 1 Japans again. I need to get a bunch of those. I want at least maybe like 30 or 40 to ship out to me in addition to what I already have. So we're gonna go for them. In about 20 minutes, Shoe Palace is going to be restocking the Jordan 1 Tokyos. Now, they didn't drop the GS sizes, so we're speculating this is going to be the initial drop for the GS sizes. However, this time it is going to be a little bit different. Palacebot has publicly released, so it is no longer a private friends and family bot where only like 4 people have it. I believe there are about 25 users now, which means I have to be competing with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and finalize my setup. I don't know how I have any money left. We'll see how many I end up getting. Shoe Palace restock went okay. It looks like Cloudflare is adapting to whatever Palacebot is doing. Basically, the method that we're using gets detected with everybody who has Palacebot running the bot and doing crazy setups, right? In the end, I think we came out with 30 checkouts, with 26 of them being for me. So right now the developer's working really hard to get the issue fixed in time for the restock tomorrow. Hopefully he does, because I want to keep going crazy with Shoe Palace. We don't know when they're actually going to switch to Shopify, if they're actually going to switch to Shopify. So I gotta go as hard as possible while it still lasts. Anyways, speaking of Shoe Palace, check this out, man. These are all the boxes that came in, so I got some work to do. Gotta unbox everything. Here it is, guys. I do have to say, these Jordan 1s are absolutely beautiful in person. The leather is pretty soft down here, but towards here, it's really stiff. I'm not sure how much of a factor this part would play into how comfortable it is on foot. I might end up putting these on my feet sometime soon, just, you know, just to try them on. But yeah, just visually, these are super freaking nice. Alright guys, check it out. The infinity checkout method in full force. These 2 really big boxes, ignore that, that's for Flight Club. We got these packages that came in, and then we got these packages that came in. Oh my goodness. By the way, I don't even think this is half of it. I think they're going to deliver the other half tomorrow, maybe the day after that. I don't know, but I literally don't have space anymore. We won't have room to walk around. We're just gonna have to crawl our way through these tiny little openings, like so. We'll figure it out. But first, I gotta unbox all of these shoes. If I'm not mistaken, 95% of these are Jordan 1 Snakeskins. Alright guys, so this is the shipment today. Nothing too crazy, just a few shoes. Yeah, right, dude, this is the most amount of shoes I've ever gotten delivered in one go. But before we move on with anything else, let's check out these Jordan 1s. First of all, box is super on point. I love these, man. This material is super buttery smooth. Leather isn't super duper soft, so nothing too crazy about it. But as far as the overall look, you know, it's alright. I'm not too crazy about it. I do believe that this is a hold item. So if you didn't get too many of these, personally, I would hold on to these, because apparently these are super duper limited and I could see them going up to like $400. I don't know. I'm not exactly the best hold resell predictor kind of guy. So, but I do believe these will go up from its current market price not too long from now. So being that I did get so many of these satins, I might sell it to a bulk buyer who I met on eBay. And apparently he's gonna pay very well. So We're gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with all these shoes. We're gonna figure out if we're even gonna be able to walk around my house by tomorrow. And we're also gonna figure out whether or not Shoe Palace is completely done. Everything coming up on the next episode.